And you try to do it, okay? It's just basically a kind of proposition for you to start the setup and also sense the body for what I will need from you. Take a little bit more space, and now just embrace. Rotate and embrace. Feel your spine, feel your hands. Claudia, please, here, so everybody can see it. So she's embracing her body. Let the hands to be heavy and let them hug you and massage you at the same time, okay? Feel the spine straight. Yes, more easy. Easy, and also look, one leg is bending, one leg is stretching, 45 degrees. Okay. Change the direction. So we now work with Rotary Swing. Yeah? Much more activity from the spine. Let it embrace. Okay, keep going, keep going. It's the pleasurable part. Feel the weight of the hands. Don't fix it. Let them go. Let them go. We need it. To unblock hands. Okay, next one. Look. Then swimming backwards. Also, look at the rotation she's doing, okay?
My Latin today. Da, 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 da. Okay. So I feel strong energy in the base, and the body is the reaction. Strong energy in the base, and the body is the reaction.